Oh, oh.
Oh man. Is it getting bigger on the oh.
Oh. Let's go. Okay.
Dexter's first fish of the day. Oh man. That's a good catch, bro. On the ultralight.
On the ultralight. Let's go.
I got him. Oh my.
Oh. You good?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Damn. Dude. Hey, bro, you dove for that catfish. I see you, bro.
My boot got stuck in it, and I just went forward.
Let's go. Hey,
That was hilarious.
you dove for that fish.
He said, I got him face forward. Alright. Alright, buddy.
With this in.
Jeez Louise. Everybody calm down.
You were too hype, bro.
I ate it, bro. I ate it. I'm not gonna lie.